Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Sepnian. Got some new earbuds today. Finally got the Earfun Free Pro 2. Go ahead and get my big unboxing knife out. Take this plastic off. Let's see what we get inside. As always, safety first. Cut away from the body. You look over here to the side here. Let me get these right quick. So, 1, 2. All right. Let's get this plastic off of here. Let's put this in my pocket. Okay, as just like on the original ones, shows you what's inside the box. Give you specs: hybrid active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, 6mm composite drivers for superior sound, multiple microphone noise cancellation technology for clarity call. Okay, transparency mode allows ambient sound. Ooh, 30 hours of playtime, so 6 hours on a single charge plus 24 provided with the case. IPX5 water. No, that's not waterproof. IPX5 is not waterproof. That's water resistant. No, that's cap earphone. Let's see, we got wireless charging compatible. Yes. Single earbud mode, left or right. Yes. Intuitive touch control plus volume control. All right. Hopefully they give us a previous track function, because the Earfun Free Pro Part 1 didn't have that. So we got the earbuds and the charging case. Put that to the side. See what else we get in the box. Take out this little foam. Let's see here. All right, I can already see it says, what's that? Charging cable. Like a band. What is that? Okay, it has paper. I'm assuming that's instruction manuals. You got silicone tips. Already ordered some spin fits for these, so I'm just waiting on them to come tomorrow. All right, we get a user manual. Let's see here. We get a cleaning stick. It's a cleaning stick. Oh, like a little tiny. This is new. All right, so this is to clean the earbuds, the nozzle, if they get clogged up from debris, earwax. And here's a card so you can contact Earfun. Subscribe. I suggest you go to myearfun.com. Go ahead and make an account. That way you'll be notified when they come out with some new earbuds, and they come out with they got some deals on them. All right, we got just 3 sets of silicone tips, so 4 altogether, unless there's not any on the buds. Right now it's in the case, small, medium, large. All right, that's cool. Oh, we also got the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. I'm going to keep that in the bag because I've already got enough. Oh, and you also get the little wing tips, little sport tips. I might have to play around with those. So I got the large on the original ones. Okay. Let me put all of this back in the box. Okay, let's put this to the side. Ain't gonna fit in there. All right, now let's look at the buds themselves. They're gonna make this difficult for me, aren't they? Yes, they are. Okay, no, they're not. Screw it. I'll put that in my pocket too. Now, this is smaller, it looks like, than the Earfun Free Pro Part 1 case. Look at this thing. I like the feel of it. It doesn't feel like plastic. Let me take out the original. and compare them. Oh yeah, they definitely trimmed off some fat on this. It's shorter as well. Maybe by a couple, maybe a centimeter or two. Still got the LED light on the front. It's similar. I wish they would have like embossed or like stamped Earfun instead of like putting some paint over it. Because I'm gonna be using these for a while, so that's gonna come off just like it did on these. Look, they made it all shiny. As you can tell, you can see all these scuffs. I beat these up. Let's see, you get the USB Type-C port on the back. Let's go ahead and open these up. Ah, very nice. They got a very sleek design to them. I've always liked Earfun earbuds, especially these right here. The tips, they're kind of spongy. I don't know, I might not need spin fit this time around. We'll see. I like the face of the bud. Very minimal. I like the way they look. They look very minimal. Let's see if they got any charge on this case right quick. Let's see. Okay, we got a light. I'm gonna have to look in the instruction manual and see, because I never know what that light means. Let's see here. What does it say? Oh, that's in German. I can't read that. Please have a previous track button. Ah, come on, man. No previous track button. They got next track. Let me see. Pause, play. Next track, volume up, volume down. Answer call, reject call. Oh, you can answer, receive, transfer 2 calls. Voice assistant, noise canceling. That's okay. So the touch controls are the same as Earfun Free Pro Part 2. Nothing has changed. Okay, let me see. LED indicator. Need power off. White indicator flashes for 1 second. Oh, this is for the earbuds. I'm talking about for the case. What about for the case? I don't see anything for the case. Oh wait, here it is. Battery level. Okay, white on for 3 seconds. More than 30%. Let me see. White flashes 3 times. Less than 30%. White flashes 1 time. Less than 10%, and white off, please charge. So, okay. I hate that Morse code. Why can't they do like Sennheiser? Give us a red light flashing for please charge, yellow for between 75 to 50, and green for 75 to 100. Why can't they do like Sennheiser? Alright, that's pretty good. Let me put one in the ear right quick. Let me see how it fits out the box. The same as the Earfun Free Pro Part 1. That's some good passive noise isolation too. It fits good. You got voice prompts. It's telling me to pair. And here, let me give you a little tip about earbuds. This is to let you know if you have a good seal or not. If you take the earbud out of your ear and the silicone tip kind of turns inside out, that's, you got a good seal. Now if this just comes out like with 0 resistance, you need to try different tips. And at least that's in my experience. Whenever I got like a good seal, that silicone tip, it doesn't want to come out of your ear. Let's look at the earbud itself. It looks like they've just, I wouldn't say they changed much. It's pretty much the same size, same weight. They just kind of maybe, you know, made it a little more. They kind of got rid of the sharp edges like on the. So here's the Earfun Free Pro part 1, and here's part 2. These are both the right. They definitely upgraded the nozzle. On this is like some type of spelt screen. On the part 2, we got some dots. That'll be a lot easier to clean. Here the tips. Okay, I thought I had the large on here. This looks like the medium. Let me see. That's kind of, yeah. The little ear wings are the same. Same rubber, it feels like. Same LED lights on the side. Yeah, the only thing they really changed is the face. Not much is different from the shells from part 1 and part 2. Well, this one is shiny and this one is more minimal and matte. Well, while I got that out, let me put this spin fit on here. Let me see how this will fit. Let's see. Fits like a glove. Okay, let me see. Let me put it in the ear. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not going nowhere. Oh man, I can't wait to test these out. But it's gonna have to be a while. I got a review to do. So this has been the unboxing and first impression of the Earfun Free Pro 2. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.